Hello, so this is the dishwasher. All you have to do to open it, you pull down on this. This is where it locks. This is the inside of it. And that, of course, is for silverware. This in here, this is a trap, just as a screen. I just recently cleaned that all out. And this comes out too. It's another screen. It traps food particles from entering into a little reservoir there to where it doesn't get clogged up. But yeah, this spins around. It's like a normal dishwasher. This right here is for a rinse agent, and this here is for your soap, which it's going to come with. This here, that's what I use, just Dollar General. It works good. It's a liquid form. I've used the powder, and I've used the little gel packs, and those did not work as well in this machine. So I would stay with just the regular gel. And as far as, I don't even know what the numbers are for. I always filled this one up, and it did fine. There's this attachment here. This goes on the sink nozzle. See, this is what is usually on there. You just unscrew this. That's what that is. And then this screws on. Now you can put this on and take it off every time, whenever you're using it, if you want. But whenever I was using it all the time, I just left it on. I mean, it's still, it still comes out the same pretty much, except it doesn't have a filter like this one does. I'm gonna close this up. It has a single plug, a 3-prong plug, and it has these two hoses, which I actually had off and have them stored inside the dishwasher just for transporting it. But these are two different sizes. You cannot mess up where these go. They just screw on, and that's the only thing in the back. But yeah, this is the hose, and once you get this on the faucet, you pull down on this part, push up, let go, and now that's locked on there. Now you turn your hot water on and leave it on. This right here is a pressure release for whenever pressures build up in the hoses and you want to disconnect it. You just hit this button and water comes out the bottom. Whenever it's going through its rinse cycle, water will come out the bottom. It does it, I think, twice in the wash cycle. So you just want to make sure that whenever it is rinsing, you have it, in the sink, not like back here, or else it'll go everywhere. Okay, so if you're going to do dishes, you want to fill it up, make sure it has the rinse agent. On the front here, there's this little spot. If there is no more rinse agent in here, that light will come on and let you know. But it's not crucial to have it in there for it to clean dishes. It's just so you don't have a bunch of spots on your dishes. So add that, put soap in there, close it up, close that, where it's, you don't have a big gap. Hit this button. This here, I usually used the dishwasher on this setting or this setting. These pertain to how many dishes, what kind of dishes you have inside the washing machine. If you hit it, it changes which setting you're on. And once you get it set, and you have your soap in there, water's on, all you do, hit start, and it'll start the cycle. And it runs for probably 30 minutes, I would say. And when it's done, it'll do a final beep, a long beep, and all you do, hit that button, and you can open it up. When it was done, I would open it up and leave it cracked, so I think it dried a little bit faster with its, with it cracked a little bit. But that's it. You can see it fits just under cabinets. I think this is standard height from countertop to bottom of a cabinet. So, and then to unhook this, pull down, take that off. You want to make sure that you put this down in and kind of like push it down and drain this hose before storing it. But to store it, I just would kind of coil it up, stick it behind the dishwasher, and then push it back. And you can hide it a little bit more, however you want, but that's it. Hope that helps.